Hi, it's Lala coming back at you from Christian Ladies Rock. As a way to give back to my community and as a way to help my young sisters in Christ and the young ladies in the world that are coming up in the world that are struggling and are reaching out for something to hold on to find their way, somebody to help them and to encourage them that you can move past your dark years and that you can have a better future with Christ. I am sharing my own personal story and my own personal journey exclusively on YouTube through my account, Tenchi1701. It's a weekly series that you can catch on YouTube every week, and I will go in depth into my background, into my past, into my struggles and my trials and my tribulations, and share the good news of the gospel of Christ with all of you ladies. So I ask that you tune in every week on YouTube, catch my series. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. You can laugh with me, you can cry with me, and we can glorify the goodness of the Lord together. Thank you, and God bless you.